We're entering a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, Sausalito, hardwood floors throughout. This unit is surrounded by windows. We have a remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances, dishwasher, disposal. Wood-burning fireplace, and views of the bay. You actually have beach access, good closet space. Bathroom has tub and shower stall, or tub and shower, stackable washer dryer. The bedroom has walk-in closets.